Hello guys, what's up? This is the first tutorial of Read for Dummies, and today we are going to see how to add, subtract, multiply, divide, root squared of numbers. So let's stick around and check it. Well, first of all, we start with this node, inject. After that, we are going to add the function node and the debug node. It's here. Okay, and we are going to join the nodes, and we are going to inject a number, and the number 4 for example. And here we are going to start with addition, so we type msg payload and plus equal plus 2. Okay, it's all the function. We put here add, we click in done, and we are going to deploy it and check it if it works. So as we see here, it is adding the numbers. Actually, here we are writing the function in JavaScript, as you can see here in the information of the node. So for more information, you can check this part, or you can read on the webpage of Read or books of JavaScript programming. Okay, and let's check with another number, 9 for example, and here 11 for instance, or a negative number. Okay, let's check it, deploy it, and okay, so we can check here, it works pretty well. Now we can change to 7 for example, and subtract the numbers, minus 3 for example, and we deploy it and check it. Works well. You can see 7 minus 3, it's working pretty well. Multiply by 5. Okay, we deploy it and check it. It's working pretty well. Let's check multiply by a negative number, 6 for example. We deploy it and check it. Works pretty well. Now we're going to divide numbers, for example 25, and divide by 5. Okay, inject, works well. Decimal number, for example, the answer. Okay, it works well. Now we are going to check how to take the root square of a number. It sounds difficult, right? But actually it isn't. So let's follow me. And msg payload. That's it. This is the function for taking the root square of number. So let's click in done and deploy it. Okay, change the number so you can prove it. 36 for instance. Oh, it works pretty well. 25, apply it. Good. You can check that numbers. It's working pretty well. And here we can change, for example, name to operators, and we're going to make that 5 operators at the time. Example, first we msg payload, okay, to be plus 2. We copy that to make it faster. This example here, -3 multiplied by 2 divided multiply by 6 divide between 3. Okay, let's check it, or whatever number you need here. So for example, we are going to add 144. Okay, let's deploy it and check it. 16.5. So you can check. You can check it also in the calculator. You can prove that. So it was 145 root square plus 2 minus 3 all of that multiplied by 6 divided 4. So it's the answer. So our program works correctly. And now we can do that in a graphical interface. For example, we choose the Getch node, and okay, we add that to a group. Okay, to group home, slider, get answer, name that as answer, and done 0 to 720, and we deploy it. And you can check it here. Okay. The answer is 16.5. If you change here, you know, whatever number, 400 or I don't know, 400. Okay, it works with all the numbers actually. Okay, let me check which is the answer. Okay. Okay, the answer is 28.5. Here we have 28.5. Okay guys, this is all for today, and you can, in further videos we are going to start changing the inject node. We are going to replace that for a serial input. That serial input can come from your Arduino or from your Raspberry Pi, for example. And we are, little by little, we are going to start working with sensors and also on the internet with the server, and we are going to start doing more interesting things. So this is all for today's, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe and motivate me to make more videos, and let's all strive to make possible Internet of Things. Goodbye.